Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta. And today we are going to discuss how to do customized geocoding in Tableau. We are having Excel data, which consists of cities and their sales. I want to represent this on the map. So we are having cities as Delhi and the sales figure Bombay, Madras, Surat, Pune, Hyderabad, and Bangalore. Now close this file. Go in the environment of Tableau, activate Microsoft Excel, connect geocode with it, open. Click on sheet 1 in cities. Activate the geographical role and make it city. So it will generate the latitude and longitude. Now double click on it. So you can see the map has been generated. Minimize it. Now there are some cities which have not been represented. Though they were in the data, they have not been represented. So it is giving me the warning that there are 4 unknowns. Click on it. We'll edit the locations. So our data consists of that there is a Bangalore, but we don't have anything here and the title Bangalore. So let us see what it is having. So I'll activate Bangalore. So the conflict has been resolved. Now let us check for Bombay. It must be as Mumbai. Then let us check for Delhi. It may be New Delhi. So the conflict has been resolved. Madras, possibly it will be Chennai. So the conflict is resolved. Now in case, if it does not have any city, which is there in its list, and you want to give the latitude and longitude, that's also possible. For example, we will do the same thing for Surat. I'll activate, enter a latitude and longitude. I'll pick up the latitude. So I'll enter the latitude here, and then I'll enter the longitude of that city, and we will be able to get the, it will identify the city based on this. So the Surat latitude is 21.17 degree. Let us enter it, 21.17 degree. And its longitude is 72 point, let me confirm, 72.83. 72.83. Click OK. Click OK. And you can see it has identified, see, the Surat city. Moreover, all the conflict has been resolved. Hyderabad, Bangalore, Madras, which in our data it is having a Madras, but according to the list it is having a Chennai. Moreover, Delhi is also there. So this is a way you can do customized geocoding in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos on Tableau. Don't forget to press the like button.